Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to Tech Dude, your destination for deep dives into the latest and smartest gadgets. Today we're checking out Lenovo's sleek new powerhouse, the Yoga Pro 714 IMH9, an AI PC that blends performance and portability like never before. Let's dive in. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9185H, a beast of a processor with 16 cores and 22 threads, turboing up to 5.1 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, editing 4K video, or coding, this CPU doesn't flinch. But what really sets this apart is its AI muscle. It's part of Intel's new AI PC category, featuring Intel AI Boost NPU delivering up to 11 TOPS of AI performance. You'll notice faster background blur, quicker AI art generation, and enhanced productivity features. Perfect for creators, coders, and AI enthusiasts. This isn't just an ultrabook, it's packing NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics with 8 GB of GDDR5x RAM. That means real-time ray tracing, smooth gameplay, and GPU acceleration for AI tasks or creative work. It's a solid performer, whether you're gaming at 1080p or rendering 3D scenes. For a 14.5-inch laptop, that's impressive. The 14.5-inch 3K display is absolutely stunning. 3072 by 1920 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 100% P3 and sRGB coverage, plus Dolby Vision. It's glossy, touch-enabled, and color-calibrated from the factory. Camera FHD 1080p plus IR with eShutter. Into full-bodied sound on 4 Dolby Atmos optimized speakers and be heard loud and clear through the 4 noise-canceling microphones. Capture your inspiration swiftly and intuitively on the 1.5mm dish keycap Yoga keyboard with an enlarged silent trackpad. It's powered by a 73 watt-hour battery, and you get a 140-watt USB-C slim charger in the box. Expect around 8 to 10 hours with mixed use, thanks to efficient LPDDR5x RAM and AI-driven optimization. Thermals are well managed for the form factor. Fans are quiet during light use, and under load, it stays cool enough to handle without discomfort. So, should you buy the Lenovo Yoga Pro 714 IMH9? If you want a thin and light laptop with AI capabilities, serious power, and amazing visuals, this one checks almost every box. It's ideal for creators, professionals, and anyone looking for a next-gen ultrabook with a bit of gaming edge.